In this video, you will see how to create a data source using SQL Server. This is the home page where you will see all the created data sources. Create a new data source, click the Add icon and select Data Source. Choose where you want to save your new data source or create a new folder on the fly. Give your data source a name and select how you want to connect your data. You can make your data source unique by uploading a display picture. Once you click Create, you will be taken through the steps for creating your data source. There is a huge list of connectors that Analance offers. For this video, let's select SQL Server. There are three ways in which you can import data: build, type, or pick tables to bring in your data. You will then have to create a connection to your server. This is the canvas where you will be building your query. The chosen database from the previous step appears with its full hierarchy. You can drag and drop tables into the query pane. All the related tables to the selected table are shown for setting up easy join. You can then choose all the required columns for your data source. As and when you select the columns, the preview gets refreshed. You can also switch to the SQL mode to see the query that you've generated. You can also build expressions for aggregating, filtering, and grouping data. Then give your dataset a meaningful name and click Finish. Now drag the dataset into the data source pane to consolidate your data source. There are a lot of operations to manage your columns. And you can choose the count of data you want to preview. Next is the last step of data source creation. You can also add filters to your data source. These filters can be toggled on or off with a single click. There is an indication that shows you that your data source is connected live. Finally, click Finish to save your data source. Watch all our other videos to understand Analance better.